Hello, my name is Nick Brown. I'm the founder of Cooking Physics, and today I'd just like to talk about the importance of onboarding. Now, we're going to be coming up on Thanksgiving and the holiday seasons, and restaurants are really going to start vamping up their hiring. I live in the mountains, and it's going to be a huge build-up for the ski season. So it's very important that we spend some time actually onboarding the new cooks, the new staff. So what exactly does that mean in the culinary terms? Okay, so that means making sure that they understand where things are located, making sure they understand who they're going to be reporting to, making sure that they know where to find the recipes, and send them into the walk-ins and just have them look around. Have them come back and tell you where where they found something. Go into the dry storage, same thing. And then definitely take some time, depending on how new this new cook is, take some time to go through the equipment that is around. I've got a wonderful video on YouTube that talks about the sizes of hotel pans and what they're called. Go ahead and send them to that. Spend some time, teach them the ropes, let them know what's going on and what they should expect when it comes to the kitchen, and help them understand the culture that is your kitchen.